Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you step by step how to properly clean and maintain the USB-C charging port on a Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. So first of all, we are definitely going to need some high quality isopropyl alcohol and also a specialized cleaning brush with much longer bristles, about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of bristle length, fairly stiff bristles so that it bounces back for us. We soak the brush with alcohol. Of course, the phone must be completely turned off. You must not do this on a phone that's turned on, because you could cause a short circuit or damage the phone. So we thoroughly soak the brush, take the phone in our hand, so that it's comfortable for us, and with a one-way motion we clean the port, first in one direction then in the other, but always one direction at a time, not back and forth continuously. So 5 or 10 strokes in one direction, then do the same from the other side, but always with a one-way motion. If you go back and forth, you won't really clean anything. It's this one-way cleaning that's necessary. You need a long bristle because almost the entire bristle goes into the port when you're cleaning. That way, everything is cleaned out, and any dirt, crumbs, or whatever else we can simply remove from the port. We repeat this process 5 times in each direction. So 5 times, then another 5, 25 times in each direction. And then we can be sure that the port is thoroughly cleaned and will work without any problems. We set the phone aside for 10 minutes so that the alcohol can evaporate. Only then can we use it. This way, everything will have evaporated and we won't risk causing a short circuit or any other problem. 10 to 15 minutes is enough for the alcohol to completely evaporate, and nothing will be left behind. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.